Hello everyone, this is Mohit. Today I am going to discuss about the underwater communication using modem. Basically, in underwater communication, the sending and receiving messages occurs below water. There are several ways of employing such communications, but the most commonly used way is hydrophones. Generally, in Navy submarines, they use a specialized telephone system which works much like an FM radio, except that it transmits and receives sound waves instead of the radio waves. The Navy uses sound waves because the radio waves cannot travel underwater because of the conductivity nature of the water, that too especially in the seawater. And the sound waves can travel 5 times faster in water when compared to the air. Modem. A modem is typically used to send digital data over a phone line. The sending modem modulates the data into a sound signal, and the receiving modem demodulates the sound signal back into the digital data. Acoustic modem. An acoustic modem is most commonly used modem that converts the digital data into a sound signal. It employs advanced modulation scheme and improves the signal strength to the noise ratio. It employs high performance and detects the errors and corrects it. The modulation methods that are used in the acoustic modem is not generally designed for it. It is designed for the radio communications. If you observe in this diagram, the user sends the data to the acoustic modem, and the acoustic modem modulates the digital data into a sound signal and transmit it through transducers. And the another acoustic modem to which the data is sent receives it and demodulates the sound signal into a digital data. And in this way, the acoustic modem works to transmit information from one place to another. The parts of the acoustic modem are namely DSP board, AFE board, that is analog front end board, and DC to DC converter, transmitter, modem chip, capacitors, microphone socket, telephone socket, and power. Advantages and disadvantages of underwater communication system. Advantages: it avoids data spoofing and provides secure information. It helps in fast transferring of information about 10,000 bytes per second. And the disadvantages are the battery of the modem drains fastly and it takes a lot of time to recharge. The bandwidth of the acoustic modem is severely limited, that is nearly 1000 meters or less than that, and the information cannot be passed out of this range. Applications: the acoustic modem helps to detect the tsunamis that are caused underwater earthquakes. By linking the database of this acoustic modem to the satellite database, we can alert the people near to the shore that tsunami is erupted in the ocean or in a water resource. AUV, the Autonomous Underwater Vehicle. It is a robot that travels underwater without anybody's help. Autonomous Underwater Vehicle, AUV. The AUV is a robot that travels underwater by controlling it from any place. An AUV can travel up to the depth of 11,000 meters. Robert Ballard, an ocean explorer, had invented this AUV for his own purpose, but it is later used by everyone. Conclusion: the underwater communication is very important because without the communication we cannot do anything underwater, and the acoustic modem is not only the way to communicate But there are several ways, like by using sonar waves and electromagnetic waves, we can communicate. Thank you.